Hey guys, Trevor here with How To Apps. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your Snapchat story after you created one. So first I'm going to open up Snapchat, Snap, draw a little bit on here, and then send it to my story. Okay, so now that Snap is here, you can see it's on my story. Nobody's viewed it yet, but maybe you uploaded that and you didn't like how it turned out. You watched it again and you just really didn't like it. So from there, what you can do is you can tap on where it says My Story, and then you'll see the little story there. Well, you just tap on it right where it says Just Now. You tap on that and you'll see the top at the top right, the three vertical dots. You can tap on that. And what you can do here is at the bottom left, you see the little trash can. You can also download it, but you hit the little trash can icon, and then it says Delete Snap. And you can hit delete and just refresh, and yeah, it's gone. No more story. So then you can add another one to your story if you want to. But yeah, that's how you quickly delete a Snapchat story. Make sure to subscribe to the How To Apps channel for more videos. Thanks, guys.